So I'm so excited to share with you that my guest for Success Mindset TV this Friday at 3 o'clock on a YouTube premiere will be the one and only Brad Yates, Mr. EFT. Brad Yates is a renowned EFT expert. He's taught EFT all around the world. He's produced in excess of 900 videos on YouTube, which has just hit the 30 million views mark, which is fantastic. Brad's been in the film, The Tapping Solution. He's a wonderful, wonderful man. I tapped with him personally back in 2013. So I'm so humbled and privileged that he's agreed to come be interviewed by me for this episode of Success Mindset TV. You're in for a treat. We're going to talk all things EFT, find out a bit more about Brad, find out some personal stuff that you might want to know, some juicy information about where Brad came from and where he's going to with all this phenomenal work. So I'm really looking forward to having you. 3 o'clock Friday, I should say, 3 p.m. Do hit subscribe if you're not already. The details are in the comments. See you soon. Take